Hi everyone. Today when I found one person, one of my students, he was talking to me and he was getting afraid. I asked what's the problem. Then he made me understand that, sir, actually I want to talk with the people, but whenever I want to talk I get stuck, and then that moment I start dodging the issues and hedging the issues. I am unable to walk into the minefield. Then I made him understand, always eat your fears. Don't feed your fears by backing off and giving it too much time to grow. Because the moment you stop feeding your fear, it means you are taking lots of actions and in a right direction. But what happens when you start getting afraid and when you feel you are not experiencing the fears? Believe in me, you are not taking more decisions and actions. So what happens in this situation? We back off. We just give a time to our fear to grow. And when your fear grows, so it means you are feeding your fear. Why don't you eat your fear? Why don't you take more actions? Why don't you take more decisions? When you take more decisions, when you take more actions, what may happen? Only you will lose. You will lose some moment. You will lose your time somehow. You will somehow lose money. But what would you earn? You would earn that thing which people are unable to give you. That is confidence. That is self-confidence. That's the energy. That's the habit which you will be cultivating through your actions. So the thing which people are unable to give you, that is your self-confidence that comes within us. It would start coming from you, but you need to eat your fears. Don't feed your fear by backing off and giving too much time to grow. If you are letting your fear grow, so what is happening? Your fear is eating you. And once the fear starts eating you, it means you are backing off. You are dodging the issues. You know why people make the pretexts? Why people make excuses? Why they become malingerer? They malinger because of their fears. There is no excuse. If somebody says to me, sir, actually today I'm unable to give a call. If somebody says to me, sir, I'm unable to talk with the people. If somebody says, sir, I'm unable to do the homework. Why? This is not the excuse. This is the fear. They are unable to complete their task just because of their fear. They are feeding their fear. They are not eating their fear. So whenever next time you just try to make the excuses, believe in me, you are feeding your fear by backing off. Never back off. Always walk into the minefield. And remember, when you are walking into the minefield, you are swimming upstream. 100% you are gonna face lots of problems. Accept them. Keep moving forward. This is the lesson which I wanted to share with you. Thank you guys for listening to me. Have a nice time ahead.